Good day guys! By the way, this is Christian Malyari, Associate Director in RLC Residences. So kasama ko nga pala yung aking seller which is si Albert Herbacio. So for today's video guys, meron lang kaming event dito sa aming grand showroom which is located in Robinson's Galleria. So for now, we giving additional discounts to all projects. So may mga sellers din ako na i-assist today. Guys, this is the day na naging successful ang aming event by RLC Residences. So for this time na ipapakilala ko naman yung mga sellers ko which is si Rian Surigao, si Ayla Alpe, and Albert Herbacio. So if you have may mga questions kayo under RLC projects, kindly contact details below. Ilalagay ko yung details nila so pwede kayo mag-inquire direct to them. So for now, magpapaalam na kami. Bye guys!
Bye-bye!